Hello, 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 welcome back to my channel. Today I like to introduce you my new paper collection, Be a Wildflower. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what do you think? First impression. I absolutely love it. Love it. So what we got, this full paper pack has 78 sheets in total, 12 double-sided, 6 sheets each. The weight is 170 gram. The size is 21 by 29.5 centimeters, so it's A4 size in European size. And yeah, you get one cover. The cover also you got 6 times, and with also double-sided. So I'm gonna show you it all, how it looks. So I'm gonna grab one set. I always talk in sets when I'm working a tutorial, so let me show you. Alright, so we have the cover. I always add on the cover some things that you can cut out, but it's actually for introducing all the papers that we have and all the cut apart pages, but I always like to add some extra things that you can cut out. So I really like this. I call this, it's not a dwarf, a gnome or something. Really cute. So you can cut this out. Same at this bucket with the sunflowers and these white flowers. And then this bee you can cut out, and this gorgeous little girl, so cute. And of course this bee you can cut out, and you can cut out this one. Just so the cover is never ever a waste of paper. Certainly, because the back is also to be used. So a nice plain plain green, and there is some design. Some design. It's a little blurry, and I really like how everything is falling together. I really like it. So a nice green one. Let's go to the next one. Let's see if I have this all in frame. Yep, here it goes. Okay guys, so my next page is a cut apart page. I have 2 big card tags with nice edges all the way around. And this says, don't forget to be awesome. I love this image with the green and everything. So cute with these nice corners, amazing. Then this yellow one also with a nice edge all the way around. Be kind, be positive, be humble, be honest, be grateful, believe in yourself. Everything what I always say. Love the image as well with the flowers in the middle and also the corners. Then I have 3 cute little images, again with a gnome and another cute little girl and another gnome. So cute to have these tags, I call these, I don't know, so cute. Then we have 3 little tags with sunflowers and some honey thing. Don't know all the English words, forgive me. And then we have some cut apart words. Queen bee, be kind, let it be yourself, family time, and be creative. Always good to use all these cut out words. So if I have some place left with designing the papers, I always add some words. Never can have enough. Alright, then the back, we have this, yeah, how you call this design? There is a word for it, I don't know. But it's a nice yellow mustard color with all the grungy edges and some lighter edges. I just love it. Really turns out wonderful. Easy to be used this way or this way. So very, very happy with this. Then my next page is a busy one with the sunflower edge. I absolutely love it. You can cut it in 4 and then you still have nice corners for the flowers to be used. You can cut out this and put your big photo in the back. There's so much to be used with. You also can fold this in half and then you have a nice journaling page. Guys, there were so many options with this page. Absolutely love it. Alright, then the back we have the same color as this one. So it's not a bright yellow because I don't like bright colors. But this is a nice yellow mustard one, and this also has the little blurry little bees on the back just to have some design on it because I don't like plain colors. So yep, absolutely easy to be used. Then I could not resist, of course, having a plate design and with the same yellow color. Absolutely love it. Easy to be used. Absolutely amazing in my opinion. And then the back we have, this is also very easy to be used, but when you look in that and you stare in that, then you will see everywhere little bees. Let me put it closer and then you get the picture. But yeah, it's easy to be used, and I did not want to add dots in this collection. Well, I think I have one, but I thought this was a nice other solution for a nice easy background. You can use it this way, and the beige cream color at the back, also nice grungy. So yep, easy to be used. Then we have another cut apart page. Love it. So with the honey tags, 3 pieces, easy to be used. Then these little stamps. So yeah, you can glue these everywhere, of course. Absolutely easy to be used. Then we have another 3 tags with nice edges, so you can cut these smaller as well. You don't have to glue them down on papers because I already added nice edges on, so it's easy. Love this one. And yeah, it is meant to be. It'll be. Yep, I love it. You belong among the wildflowers. Absolutely stunning. And then we have 2 small ones. Don't just talk about it, be about it. And then I think I'll just be happy today. Well, I'll think that every day. And then of course I had some place left, and these are easy to have those string closures, those envelope closures. So very easy. Alright, then we have to go to the back, and here is a nice dark brown back. And then with these, I love these little images with the bee and these leaves on front. So it looks like little medallions or something, I don't know. And we also have some grungy edges, so to have it all a nice grungy touch. I really like this dark. So it's not black, it's really nice dark brown. Love it. Easy to be used with everything. Then we have another yellow one. It's the same design as this one, but then in the yellow mustard color, and also the grungy touches with everything. And then these images are nice white to have the yellow page a little off with some design. Love it. Then we have the sunflower page. Could not resist. Yep, there was also busy pages in here, and I made it a little how you call that, a little mist on it, because I don't like the very bright color, because that was not fitting with what I had in my mind. So I made it a little misty. So if you say, oh, it's a little, yep, I did that on purpose, because now the color is amazing and fits everything with a nice grungy edges. Love, love, love it. So cool. Then we have another cut apart page, again with some stamps. Easy to be glue on everywhere. I also have 3 note cards, note tags. Easy to put also on the back of a tag, so you can write something down, or even at the front. That's totally up to you. I added some, yeah, call it little stamps right here and here. Easy going, very simple, but I love it. Then I have 2 big tags. In a world full of roses, be a sunflower. Love these images. And then home is where your honey is. Oh, that's so so cool. And then I have still a little space left. So beautiful. My honey meant to be. My friends so sweet, be humble. So absolutely stunning page, if I may say so myself. And then the back, this is one of my favorite ones. I absolutely love these little white, I call it, yeah, in Dutch it's madeleines, but I don't know in English. But I just love it. It's so cute, so sweet, easy to be used. It's still a little grungy green on the back, but these white flowers are just adorable. Easy to be used also in this direction. So yep, I'm definitely gonna have fun with this page. Then we have another green one, but then some bigger little bees. So it's still a nice plain design, but still with some design on it. So easy to be used. I'm absolutely in love with this green. So yeah, a vintage green, I don't know, but it's not white, so that is just me. Then I do have one paper with some dots, so I could not resist. A nice beige background with some green dots on it. Easy to be used this direction or this direction. There is some grungy thing on, so it looks smoochy already. Absolutely just how I like it. And then another busy page with these white madeleines. I'm just gonna come up, maybe it is the Dutch word, the English word, I don't know. I love these white madeleines, and yeah, busy pages are also easy to be used. You can cut these in 4. You can also use it as strips. You will definitely see that when I am going to work with that. And then the back is a nice solid one, not a solid plain one, but a really easygoing, nice beige creme background with, again, this design that keeps it still functional. Not functional, but I don't like only plain paper, so there is always a design on it. And then the white madeleines are coming back on this beige grungy background, and then these little madeleines are coming back. Love it, it's so sweet. And then the back we have another green one, but then with the crown, like the queen bee. I just thought the crown really fits with it. Love this image, this image design, stunning. Then we have another cut apart page, and this time we have nice images with the sunflowers and the bees. And then 2 big note cards with, again, also a nice stamp on it. I really like it. So you can't live without a nice note card. So now you don't have to make them yourself because they're already in it. And then these square ones, also so cute. Be kind to everyone. Don't forget to be awesome, sweet as can be, and the best time to be kind is always. So yeah, I really like these square pieces as well. So we have very different sizes, and yeah, can't wait to cut them all out. Oh, I forgot the back of this one. I totally forgot about the back of this one. So we have a beige colored background with, I love this image, also with this crown. And another bee everywhere. I just love it. It's really smoochy, easygoing. Love this image as well, this design. And then we have another busy one. Yeah, of course, I could not resist also add some black in it because a bee is yellow and black. So why I could not resist adding some black. And also some yellow flowers in it. So I came up with this one, a nice busy one. I could make it a little larger, but at the end I thought this one was just perfect. So if you look closer, there is a bee in it and another bee in it and some small and bigger yellow pages, flowers. So cool, I love it. You also can use it this way direction, it's totally up to you. And you also can use this as nice little strips as well. So cute. And then the back, this is a nice creme color background with the yellow little bees, and also it has a little crown on it. So easy to be used. And then our last page, of course, a nice black one with a yellow golden crown on it. So yeah, that could not end up with another extra black paper. Fits marvelous with this one, but also with the other ones, of course. But anyways, and then the back, it's also not a simple one, but an easygoing, and it says honeybee. So cool, with some handwriting. And then it's a nice brown golden touch with it. All right, so what do you think, guys? Do you like this paper collection? I hope you do, guys. And I can't wait to start with it. So stay tuned for my tutorial. So have fun with it. Thank you so much. Be a wildflower. So thumbs up if you like this video. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, if you want to have this this big paper pack with 78 sheets, then just send me an email. Just send me an email and ask how to get this big paper pack, and if I can send it to your country. Yes, I do send worldwide. Just ask me through the email. Tell me in which country that you live. That's easier for me to send you the full information how to get it, and I will answer you. There is also a digital set to be get. For those who thinks the shipping cost is too much, I totally understand that. So that is why I also provide a digital set. In the digital set there is also some extra designs that I could not add in this pack. So it's always a good idea to also get the digital set if you want to add more into your project. So you will get more in a digital set, more designs, than in the to be received pack, but that is totally your decision. So also just send me an email, ask for the digital set, and I will give you all full information how to get it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.